Okay, IUPAC nomenclature of alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds, while writing the IUPAC nomenclature of alicyclic compounds, mainly we have to remember the two rules. What are those two rules, dear students? Alicyclic compounds means cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes, like cyclic compounds. Okay, homocyclic compounds. In that, if they have side chain means what, dear students? Side chain means the substituted carbon atoms. If the side chain has less number of carbon atoms or almost equal number of carbon atoms with cyclic compound, then the cyclic compound, its name we have to written as the derivative of cyclic compounds only. I will give you the example. Just I am discussing about the statements. Okay, in that case, the majorly we have to concentrate on that organic compound is the derivative of cyclic compound, means the major role is cyclic compound. The second point is if the side chain has more number of carbon atoms are present when compared to cyclic ring, then the cyclic ring we have to consider as a substance. The cyclic ring we have to consider as a substance means the organic compound is the derivative of side chain. The organic compound is the derivative of a side chain. Okay, and second, third point is R isolated. If the side chain has functional group, the side chain having functional group, whatever it may be, no need to consider about that the side chain containing carbon atoms. If the side chain containing carbon atoms are less or more, but it has functional group, then the cyclic compound we have to consider as a substance only. The cyclic compound we have to consider as a substance only. So the related that I will give you examples. Listen properly. First one. Three-membered cyclic ring, there is no substance. Okay, students. Now its name is cyclo. Secondary prefix is, primary prefix is cyclo. Total 3 carbon atoms are present. 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms are present. Its IUPAC nomenclature is cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. For example, again 3-membered cyclic ring is present. It has two substances, two CH3 group substances are present, but the substances are side chains. How many are present? 2 are present. Those 2 are same, but the side chain having how many carbon atoms are present? Only 1 and 2 carbon atoms. See, here it is 1 and here it is 1, means less than the cyclic ring. The number of carbon atoms present on the side chain is the less than the cyclic ring. Then that substance, these side chains we have to consider as a substance, and the name of this compound is the derivative of cyclic compound. Now we have to identify the position of the substance. This is 1, 2. Either you go through this one or this 2 because the similar substance are present. This is the correct. If you want to give the numbering 1, 2, 3, the anti-clockwise direction it is wrong. Why? Because of the substance we have to give the least numbering. Least sum rule we have to applicable. The least sum rule in clockwise direction, how much? It is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. In the anti-clockwise direction, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That's why this only we have to consider. Now its correct IUPAC nomenclature is 1, 2. Same substance are repeating. That's why di. How many methyl groups are present? 2 are present. Then the prefix before we have to write dimethyl cyclopropane. Very good, Mr. 1, 2. Dimethyl cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. Let's see. This is cyclobutane. Now this is cyclobutene. Cyclobutene means double bond is present. The double bond is present in between 1 and 2 carbons. That's why first carbon double bond is present means we no need to consider the double bond position. Now let's see, like double bond is present and it has one substance, CH3 substance is present. Now what I said, dear students, the double bond goes to more priority when compared to that substance. Then we have to give the number completely double bond number. This is 1, 2, 3. Least number from anti-clockwise direction to the CH3 group is third K. Otherwise, you want to give the numbering like double bond 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Double bond portion is 1, but substance portion is 4K. This anti-clockwise direction, this we don't consider. This anti-clockwise direction only we have to consider. Then the substance portion is 3 is correct. Now its IUPAC nomenclature is 3-methyl cyclobute 1-ene or cyclobutene. Very good. 3-methyl cyclobutene or cyclobute 1-ene is the correct name. Okay, students. Now let's see some other examples. This is what, dear students? 6-member cyclic ring means cyclohexane. This 6-member cyclic ring having the substance, one CH3 group is substance is present, the side chain is CH3, one carbon is present. Yes, cyclohexane. That cyclohexane having one CH3 group is present. 1-methyl cyclohexane, it has one more substance is present. Then CH2 bond CH3. Now one more substance. The side chain has 2 carbons. The side chain has 1 carbon. So both 2 side chains are present. The 2 side chains have less number of carbon atoms when compared to cyclic ring. Then that side chains we have to consider as a substance. Side chains we have to consider as a substance. Now we have to give the numbering of the side chains. For that we have to give least numbering. Either first number we have to give methyl or ethyl. That is the problem. See, first you give the numbering for methyl 1, 2, 3 like came. The clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction you give numbering. This is 1, 2 and 3 came. 1, 2, 3 came. So here also 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 3. Both sum is same. But alphabetical order we need to follow. According to that, if like that problem is arised, the substance position say the left to right or right to left, the sum is same came. Then according to alphabetical order it is E, it is M. Then we have to give more priority to the ethyl group when compared to methyl group. Yes. Now the correct numbering is this. 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is correct. Now its IUPAC nomenclature is 1-ethyl 3-methyl cyclohexane. 1-ethyl 3-methyl cyclohexane is the correct name. Okay, students? Understood? Anybody have doubt? Nischal, understood ma now? Abhay, Rani, Afzal. See here, I am not said anti-clockwise direction is wrong. Nischal, either 1 to 1 and 3. Here anti-clockwise also 1 and 3 came. Okay. Then that sum of the positions number came 4. Equally came. Then what we have to think? We have to think about alphabetical rule. According to that, each alphabet letter is coming first. That we have to give more priority. Because here there is no functional group. Then both are substance only. Then computation is came, and this we have to give 1 or this we have to give 1. Then one number we have to give for ethyl group only, because according to alphabets E letter is coming first when compared to M. Okay, this kind of questions are very very important. Compulsory they will ask in NEET and JEE examination this kind of questions only, not a simple. For board examination, simple questions they will ask for IUPAC knowledge. Now, let's see the second rule. Second rule, what I said, my side chain having more number of carbon atoms are present. In that case, that cyclic group we have to consider as a substance. Example, three-member cyclic ring. If you observe that this side chain has how many carbon atoms are present? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are present. Now it is cyclic ring, 3 carbons. The side chain has 4 carbon atoms are present. In that case, the cyclic ring we have to consider as a substance. This is substance. Substance. Now, what is the position of cyclic group? This three-member cyclic ring position we have to identify. Either left to right or right to left. Which either which side least numbering is coming, that we have to consider. For example, left to right side 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The longest carbon chain 4 carbon atoms. Now its position is 2. Right to left 1, 2, 3, 4. This position is 3. Which we have to consider? Least numbering we have to consider. That's why this above direction, left side to right side, that we have to consider. Now according to that, its IUPAC nomenclature is 3-member cyclic ring. Cyclopropane, then one hydrogen atom is removed, then it is considered as substance, then it is named as cyclopropyl. Position is 2. 2 cyclopropyl. 2 cyclopropyl butane. 2 cyclopropyl butane. Okay, students? Now, one more example, let's see. Yes, ma'am. This cyclobutane has one side chain is present. The side chain having functional group. Side chain having functional group. If side chain has functional group is present, then the cyclic compound we have to consider as a substance. Yes. The side chain we have to consider as a substance, even though it has less number of carbon atoms are present. Side chain has less number of carbon atoms, but it has functional group. It has a functional group. So in that case, this cyclic compound we have to consider as a substance. The cyclic compound we have to consider as a substance. Yes, very good. Abhay. 2. What is the position of this cyclic compound? Functional group goes to more priority. That's it. You have to start numbering this one only. 1 and 2. It is correct. Otherwise, if you have number 1 and 2, it is wrong. This is wrong. This numbering is wrong. This numbering is correct. Now, according to that, at second carbon, cyclobutyl group is present. Now, 2 cyclobutyl. 2 cyclobutyl. 2 carbons are present on the root word. Meet eth plus ane, ethane, 1 ol. OH group is present, then 1 ol or ethanol. 2 cyclobutyl, ethane, 1 ol or ethanol also correct. Two cyclobutyl ethanol. Okay, both are correct only. Okay, students. Now this is about when the side chain having functional group. If the side chain having functional group means no need to think about that side chain whether it has more number of carbon atoms or not. That is not a criteria. If the side chain having functional group means always the cyclic compound we have to consider as a substance. We have to consider as a substance. Okay. Let's see. So this is about cyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds IUPAC nomenclature. Now aromatic compounds IUPAC nomenclature we will see. Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds IUPAC names. See here, this aromatic compounds means what, dear students? Benzene ring containing compounds. Benzene ring containing compounds. Containing compounds IUPAC nomenclature. Okay. Now, in this case, here two main important things are present. When the benzene ring having substance are present, the substance or functional groups directly attached to the benzene ring, then those compounds are derivatives of benzene. They named as derivatives of benzene. If substance or functional groups, FG means functional groups, directly attached to benzene ring, named as the derivatives of benzene. Derivatives of benzene. derivatives of a benzene. Next, if side chain having functional group, side chain having functional group named as the derivatives of side chain. And benzene ring considered as a substance. Benzene considered as substance. Considered as substance. Its name is phenyl. Phenyl. Okay. See, two important things, dear students. The one thing is, if the benzene ring attached groups or substance or functional groups directly attached to the benzene ring, in that case, those all compounds are named as the derivatives of benzene. Next, the second thing is the side chain having functional groups. Side chain, the functional group is not directly attached to the benzene ring, it is attached to the side chain. Then, in that case, that organic compound named as the derivative of side chain, then the benzene ring considered as a substance. In that case, benzene ring, how to write the benzene ring name, dear students? The benzene ring name is phenyl. The benzene ring name is phenyl. Okay, let's see. I will give you few examples. This is benzene. This benzene ring having one CH3 group is present. The CH3 group is substance. It is directly attached to the benzene ring, and they have less number of carbon atoms when compared to benzene ring. Then this compound is the named as the derivative of benzene. So its name is 1-methyl. Only one substance is present. Two substances are present. Then computation, which substance we have to give the least numbering. Okay, one substance only present, then no problem. Its name is 1-methyl benzene. This 1-methyl benzene also called named as toluene. So this name also you remember, toluene if you are writing also correct, or 1-methyl benzene if you are writing also correct. Next. Now the benzene ring having CH3 group is present and OH group is present. Which goes to more priority, dear student? The benzene ring having OH group is present, then the OH is a functional group. So it is first priority. Then one, with respect to OH group, the position of CH3 group is 2. Because the OH functional group is directly attached to the benzene ring, means it is the derivative of benzene only. Its name as the derivative of benzene. Now its correct IUPAC nomenclature is 2-methyl benzene, hydroxybenzene. 2-methyl and 1-hydroxybenzene. Or one more name is present, dear students. That is, if the benzene ring is attached to the OH group, then it is called as phenol. Means 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. So you have to remember that. Why it is called as 2-methyl phenol means This benzene ring is attached to the OH group, means aromatic alcohol. Then it is named as 1-hydroxy benzene. This 1-hydroxy benzene is also called as phenol. Phenol. Yes. Okay, listen carefully. First, this example, let's see the benzene ring. The benzene ring attached to OH group is present, then its name is hydroxyphenol. Sorry, hydroxybenzene. This hydroxybenzene is also called as phenol. Okay. Now, whenever the benzene ring is attached to OH group, those all are considered as phenol compounds only. Okay, so mostly we are following this name only in higher studies. In 12th class, we have to use this name only. We don't use this hydroxybenzene because the functional group OH is, even though it is a functional group, okay na? Oh, even though it is a functional group, the functional group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Then what I said, the name is the derivative of benzene. The derivative of benzene means the OH we have to written as hydroxy only, hydroxybenzene. Now that hydroxybenzene having one CH3 group is present, substance, its position is 2. That's why this name is 2-methyl 1-hydroxybenzene. 2-methyl 1-hydroxybenzene also we are calling as 2-methyl phenol. Also we are calling as a 2-methyl phenol. Okay, clear? For example, the same compound, this is the side chain. The side chain having functional group. The functional group is not directly attached to the benzene ring. In that case, the benzene ring we have to consider as a substance. Now, it is the functional group. The functional group position is 1. With respect to OH position, the phenyl group benzene ring position is how much? 2. This is 3. Now its IUPAC nomenclature is 2-phenyl 2-phenyl. The root word is 3 carbons. Propane. Propane 1-ol or propanol is the IUPAC nomenclature. Now here hydroxybenzene, because the functional group is directly attached to the benzene ring. For example, CHO group. This aldehyde functional group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Then its name is also derivative of benzene only. Okay, now its name is benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde, is also called as, instead of benzene carbaldehyde, mostly we are calling as benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Okay, understood ma? Anybody have doubt? This name? Clear? Have I understood? Aromatic compounds. Let's say I will give you one more example. The benzene ring having CH3 group, NO2, NO2 groups like that groups are present. Now we have to write its IUPAC nomenclature. Here 3 NO2 groups are present, 1 CH3 group is present. Now you give numbering. It is the symmetrically, it is the number is coming. If you start either from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the clockwise direction. Or in anti-clockwise direction also, if you gave the number 1,